Alright, we're recording. Today, what are we doing today? Today, we got the 2018 R1 and the 2018 R1s. We're about 2 weeks away from our tune date here. We're just getting everything ready. Today, we are doing the block-off plates. We already got them out. There's your air injection system. The factory air injection system is out of the bike. And let me get a shot here of the driven block-off plates. Let's see here. There you go. You can see them on the R1.
The R1 Smackdown.
The R1 Smackdown has them too. See, we're not going to record everything we're doing. We're not going to show you guys step by step how to do this stuff. This is really a documentary of a vicious smackdown that's going to be going down real soon. We're going to show you everything we're doing to these bikes as far as modifications. The next video we'll do will include the flapper removal. That might get done today, it might not. We're still wrapping up these block-off plates. So, yep, that's it for today. Next time you see this bike, hopefully it will be me putting an exhaust on it. We'll compile all the vids together and then we will show you when we go to Boss Racing. Should be fun.
Smackdown's coming soon.
Smackdown's coming soon, baby. Hello. So before we showed you guys the block-off plates on the 2018 R1 and the 2018 R1s. It is the same day here and we felt motivated, so we are going to go ahead and do the flapper plug mod. So we got this on tape. This is the flapper plug mod. You're just putting a plug in place of this thing. This was the diaphragm that operated the intake flapper, which is this door right here. It used to open and close inside of here to restrict and let air in depending on RPMs. We got rid of that. It's just hollow in here now. You can see it. And yeah, that's basically the flapper mod. Just removing this door right here.
This is what it looks like stock.
Yeah, and this is what it looks like stock, my buddy says, which is true.
Yeah, I'm about to remove mine.
He's about to remove his, do the same. And as you can see, it's a big deal. A lot of the bike has to come apart. So we're just getting it out of the way. Block off plates, flapper mod in one day. And we will check back in once I get my Graves exhaust on. He already went the extra step last week and got his Hindle exhaust on. You can see that right here. Unfortunately, they sent him the wrong end pipe. It was for a ZX10. So in the meantime, he just made something work. He's waiting on his new silencer, but the mid pipe is right. No more cat, no more servo. Sounds great. We would start it, but the bikes are apart right now. But don't you guys worry, we will have a lot of footage for you guys real soon. Okay?